Hello friends, welcome to MCQ4all.com. This is your host Amit, and let's start with the current affairs for today, 26th of July 2015. Today it was not a very happening day, but we had some newses which of course we cannot expect into the current affairs, but somehow they are the important news. So starting from the first, I'm not going to show you any PDF or Word document, let's have it face to face. So the first news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had Man Ki Baat today, and he put up the very important point of road accidents and road safety. A part of it, he gave the condolence for 26th of July 2015, which is celebrated as the Vijay Divas for the Kargil war, which happened in 1999. And along with it, Obama ended its 3-day visit to Kenya, and Mamta Banerjee is going to start a 3-day visit to Britain, and Salman Khan, which somehow supported Yaqub Menon sentence, pardoning kind of a thing on Twitter, which ultimately at today end of the day he removed, kind of said sorry for that. So these 4 or 5 were the current affairs for today, 26th of July. None of these we can expect in current affairs except the day for Kargil Vijay Divas, 26th of July. Except it, these are the not concrete information. Okay. Now, for the next phase, going into the latest entrance exams and the job updates, I'm clicking on the current job updates for today, and we have a very hot opening news for today. You can see IBPS notified the IBPS clerk in a very straight. IBPS clerk openings exam notification have already come. A part of it, any other news? These are the very latest. When we say that zero views are zero, it means they have just been updated around 1 hour back or 2 hour back. So any other hot job opening? UPSC CDS 2 exam 2015. Any other? I do not think so. So the two exams which are currently which I can view, one of them is the CDS exam, CDS 2, which will happen in September. Not sure when the exam is. I mean, let me just check and let me just let you know. CDS exam 2015, and the last date is 14th of August, and the exam will happen somewhere into September, October. You can get this whole information from by clicking over this link, upscnic.in. Now going over back to the IBPS color notification, and the IBPS color notification, here it is. It's opening up.
भैया आप चले रहे
भैया बंद हो गया 2 में चल रहा
It's little bit slow. It's opening. Internet problem. Okay. Actually, the content was very large, so it was taking some time to update. Going by the dates, payment and then download for online exam. This exam, IBPS clerk, will happen in 2 parts, preliminary and mains. Preliminary will happen in December 5th, 6th, 12th and 13th, and the mains exam will be somewhere in December 2015. So in the same, the exam is into December month, and the last date for it to fill is 1st of September 2015. So people who are graduate and want to apply for color position, do it fast. The dates are out. Any upcoming last date, nearing last date? RRB exam 26th. Today was the last date. RRB for railway, not for IBPS RRB. CSIR, IBPS RRB is on 28th of July. So still you have 2 days. If you are still waiting for it, don't wait. Fill the form. It will take some time. Oriental exam, Oriental Insurance 28th of September, 20th of July, the last date. And so all these exams are here at MCQ for all for your preparation. You can open from here and go into bank, and you'll get the IBPS RRB, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk. Every exam is here at mcqforall.com. So what you have to do is you have to go into the bank section, and here is the clerk, IBPS clerk and SBI clerk, both are in common. Full length mock test, we have around 10, and again the same previous year papers and all those things. So you don't have to go anywhere else. Prepare on mcqforall.com. Now moving to entrance exam section. Oh yeah, one of the hot entrance exam, CAT 2015 notifications are out. Don't wait for anything else. Just go for it, because we are going to have the live preparation at mcqforall.com. If you people know, then we do not do live preparation for any of the exam. We only do few exams. One of which is the CAT, the another one is the ITJ, and few more like our railway RRB, which we are going through. So it is going to be a fun. Fill the form and just wait from us, and we are going to have a very well layout plan how to prepare for CAT exam at RRB at mcqforall.com. Very affordable and very exhaustive. You won't able to get anywhere the kind of preparation which we have planned for CAT, including the IBPS PO and clerk, here at mcqforall.com. Alright, so any date specification? The last date for filling up one. We have few links over here just below this thing. Okay, you just press and it will open this link. It is just the schedule. Notification just came out today. It is nowhere on the internet now. We are the first. Maybe we are the first. I'm not sure. I have got it anywhere else, but still the results are not coming on the Google. So now online registration will start from 6th of August, and it will go till 20th of September. Admit card 15th of October. Test is on 29th of November, and this time the test is going to be happen on a single day. Into the last usual time it used to be happen between the duration of 1 or 2 days or 3 days, but this time CAT, which will happen throughout the 316 centers across India, it will be on 29th of November. It will, and on that day it will have 2 sessions, morning session and afternoon session. The whole details which you can get from here, the links for schedule, advertisement, press release. So for you the important link is schedule and the eligibility and the selection process for IMs and scoring and equating process. I'm going to create a separate video for CAT, where I will discuss about this whole thing, and it's very soon you're going to get it over here. Okay, that's it for the today entrance exam. Anything which is the last date coming for any entrance exam, I'm clicking over the column, and last date for Bardwan MTech 28, Andhra AU distance education. Any important CMC Ludhiana MSc nursing, go and fill it. MAT exam 18th of August. So that's it for today. So current affairs done, latest job notification done, entrance exam notification done. You have any question, you have any doubt, if you want to discuss over anything, you can always mail us at info@mcqforall.com, or you can give us a call at 995313069. The landline number is 01125330725. and one more number 9266630689. This was your host Amit. Bye bye for today.